Hello everyone, my name is Tai and I'm a student at Humboldt College. Today I will talk about my program is Electrical Engineering Technologies and my topic is technology and the impact on life. This presentation will take 10 minutes long. Also, I will show you the main points of this presentation. Let's move on. In my presentation, I have 4 main points. The first is introduction. In this session, I will talk about what is electrical engineering. Second, the detail. I will give some information about electrical engineering. And the third is statistic. I will show you the salary of electrician when they can earn money. The final is a conclusion. I will share my idea why I like or why I choose this program. So, like I told you about we start with the introduction. What's the electrical engineering technologies? And electrical engineering technologies is an area of engineering technologies relate to user electricity and its technical principles. Like electrical engineering is involved in many applications in our life today, such as designing, installing, manufacturing, operating, or maintaining electrical system. So for the next section, I will talk about detail, and as you can see, I have a two questions for these sections. First question is why the electrical engineering technology plays such an important role today. The second, what are the advantages of being electrical technology engineer? Nowadays, as you know, the role of electrical engineering technology is very important. As you can see, I show you 5 pictures that represent a number of products that require the emergence of electrical engineering and moreover need electrical engineering to be able manufacture and provide products with a high standard for consumers. In other words, electrical engineer will be the ones who tests all the products before show them to consumer. They will be the maintenance and repair of products with the complete defect that other employees cannot fix. So the second question is talk about the advantage of this program. So electrical engineering had many advantages over other industry. For example, job flexibility. They can find a job. They can find a job easy than on other jobs because almost all industry have electrical and machinery related component. Again, they are the ones who can provide suggestions and solutions for almost all related fields, or they will be the ones who solve difficult problem. Secondly, they will have no difficult finding a better and more sustainable job for them. Wide of career opportunity is they can find easy job. They can find a more flexible and comfortable time they want to work, or they don't need to have every day in the workshop. Also, they will easily find jobs such as in telecommunications, cars, chemicals, constructions, electronics, power generation, computer, maritime industry, etc. Sometimes they also have to work with other engineers, but they only focus on one field of electrical engineering. Finally, one that's rarely mentioned in some country, kinda an example, is a salary. The salary of engineer after graduate in Canada and no experiment outside the environment, their salary is at relative high level. Let me show you their salary for the next slide. But before I show you the statistic about the salary of the electricians, I have a version for myself and for everybody. How the experience and age affect your pay. So, as you see, and I told you above, by on the statistic of the salary explorer, we can see the salary of engineer who had just graduated from the college for the first 2 years is over $90,000 for them. As you can see from the statistic, the salary of an electrical technology engineer will be adjusted and increased according to the experience and the number of years in the professions. In other words, if you have a high if you have a high if you want to have a high salary, your degree is one of the factors that contribute to that. Anyway, if you want to have a high salary, also you have to have a high knowledge. In short, electrical engineering technology is one of the indispensable industries to have the country develop. I chose this subject not because it's disable salary, but I want to be able to interact the with car mechanic. I want to learn how to work because that's my endless passions. So, thanks for listening. Do you have any questions? I'm willing able to answer them.